Mr. Ward, I've determined probable cause for aggravated assault, date, family, or household member with a weapon causing serious bodily injury. Assault of a family or household member impeding breath or circulation. Evading an arrest and detention with a, is that watercraft?
Yes.
With the watercraft with previous conviction or serious bodily injury. And for injury to an elderly, disabled child with intent to injure. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
Court-appointed.
Mr. Johnston?
Devon, you live in Amarillo?
Yes.
How long have you lived there?
A whole lot.
Are you working right now?
Yes.
Do you work to support your household?
No, I don't have nobody in my household to support.
You live alone normally?
I live with my aunt and uncle.
Yeah. Okay. And do you help pay bills there?
I give them money to help out, yes.
Okay. Can you afford a $50,000 bond?
No.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to set your bond for the aggravated assault in the amount of $30,000. Your bond conditions are going to be have no contact or communication, threatening, harassing manner. Go within 200 yards of Deanna, her workplace, her own home, or other known places that you frequent. You're being placed under a magistrate's order of emergency protection that begins today, the 9th day of November of 2025. This is in effect until January the 16th of 2026. While on bond, you may not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state, and you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. Excuse me. Excuse me, I'm sorry. For the assault of a family or household member impeding breath or circulation, I'm setting the bond in $10,000. Bond conditions: break no laws of the state of Texas or any other state. You must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. Evading an arrest and detention with a watercraft, I'm going to set in the amount of $3,000. Bond condition: not break any laws, must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol. For the injury to the child or elderly or disabled with intent bodily injury, that bond is set in the amount of $10,000. Bond conditions are no contact or communication with a, may not go within 200 yards of Kingston, his workplace, his home, his school, other known places he frequents. You're being placed under a magistrate's order of emergency protection that does begin today, November the 9th of 2025. It is in effect until January the 16th of 2026. While on bond, you may not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state, and you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. Thank you.
Your Honor, I just want to clarify that the evading arrest detention with the watercraft is vehicle/watercraft.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Evading arrest and detention with the vehicle / which means or watercraft with previous conviction, and / serious bodily injury. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
Your Honor.
so I'm sorry, I misread the /. All right, thank
I just
you.
wanted to clarify it, that's all.
No,
So-
thank you.
Yes,
This page I have is so blurry, it's hard to read.
The 30, 10, 5, and 10?
I think I know what you're talking about, yes, ma'am.
Was it 30, 10, 5, and 10?
30, 10, 3.
No, it was 30, 10, 3, and 10.
Great, okay. 53,000 total.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ms. Devora, a probable cause has been determined for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need one, ma'am.
Mr. Johnston?
Stephanie, you live in Amarillo?
Yes, I do.
How long have you lived there?
My whole life.
Do you have any kids that live with you?
I do. I have three.
How old are they?
3, 4, and 13.
Are you working right now?
I am, yes.
Do you support your children with that?
Yes.
Are you the one who's typically watching and taking care of them?
Yes.
Nothing further, Your Honor?
Okay. I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $10,000 bond condition, not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. And you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't make it confusing.
Well, something caught my eye. Okay.
Your Honor, it says a clear baggie of a controlled substance was located. And that is the entirety of the description.
Okay. Give me just a second. I'm going to go get glasses and see if it's going to help clear. It's like there's too much ink, so all the letters are blurry. Hold on.
I understand. No. That is not time. I'm sorry. That's me. Yes, that alone would be but that argument you just made to me, it's for trial. I'm proud of it. No, you're good. I'm protecting you here.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So much.
We'll talk about it. We'll find the judgment later.
I know.
I'm going to agree with you. So I am going to determine no probable cause for possession of a controlled substance 1 gram greater than equal to 4 grams less than 200 grams. So what this means is you're not going to have to bond out. Just be aware that when they present this case, or if they present this case to the district attorney's office, if they accept the charges, they will issue a warrant for your arrest. All right, thank you. Mr. Ruiz, probable cause has been determined for fail to comply of sex offender duty to register life or annual. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
Appointed.
Mr. Johnston?
Frankie, you living in Amarillo right now? So, what are you living at? Or what are you living in a hotel, apartment, home? Where do you live?
Hotel.
In a hotel, okay. Do you have family in town?
Yes.
What kind of family do you have?
I have 2 brothers and my mom.
Okay. Are you working right now?
Yes, sir.
Do you live alone?
Yes, sir.
Do you pay all of your bills?
Yes, sir.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $5,000. Bond condition does not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. And you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Fleming, I've determined probable cause for assault of a hospital personnel on hospital property. Can you afford an attorney? Or do you need?
I have my own attorney, and I'm still going to court for the charge that I had the last time I was at Randall County for bodily habitation. So they put me on a PR bond, and I'm still trying to fight that charge still. And in this charge, I can do the same thing on a PR bond. I can pay the fine and everything else because I have a caseworker through TPC. That's who Jennifer was. That's who that knows the lady that used to work for the TPC, but she was at my arraignment hearing in Randall County.
Okay. Mr. Fleming, what I'm going to do is set your bond in the amount of $2,500. The law does not allow a personal bond on an assault, and so I can't do a personal bond. You have some bond conditions. While you are on bond, you cannot break any laws of the state of Texas. You must not use any drugs or alcohol. You must not be in possession, use or possess. And then you said that you're receiving services, but I'm going to go ahead and issue a 1622. I want you to do another mental evaluation within 30 days of bonding. I know that you're already getting assistance, and there's a reason that you were where you were, and maybe they can help you.
So does that mean I gotta stay in jail? Or
No.
does that mean I'm getting out?
I've set you a bond. It's just you're going to have to go, it has to be a cash bond or a surety bond or go through a bondsman.
Okay.
It can't be a personal bond.
Well, I don't have that kind of money. I don't have that kind of money. And besides on that, I'm still fighting the charge from Wayne County because I still got to get a hold of my lawyer to see the case. And my aunt's the only person that can pay for it. But through a personal bond,
Can't get a personal bond.
so
The law does not allow it on an assault charge.
but I didn't assault no one. I was not even at the hospital. I was at the hotel with my buddy. So that means I gotta stay in jail?
Doesn't mean that each have one, but put a link it up.
Okay, I don't have the money.
So
At this point, what you need to do is talk to your attorney. How about I go ahead and you said you have an attorney representing you already from Randall County?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm sure that that information can be passed along. Was it a court-appointed attorney, or did y'all hire an attorney?
The court appointed me an attorney. His name is Ethan Murphy.
Okay. What I'm going to do is on today's, I'm also going to put a court-appointed attorney down. Mr. Johnston, is that something y'all are going to be able to see who his attorney is?
Ethan Murphy.
I know who his attorney is. I can't see that. That would be at a Randall. I could just fill out a basic sheet for him and then put down who his other attorney.
Pass that along. All right. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Chavez, I've determined probable cause for assault of a family or household member impeding breath or circulation. Can you afford an attorney, or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
Yes, sir. Mr. Johnston, I'm sorry.
And Judith, how long have you lived in Amarillo?
4 months.
Okay. Where'd you look for that?
Dumas.
All right, so how long have you lived in the Panhandle?
All my life.
Okay. Do you have any family around the town?
No.
Okay. Do you live alone normally?
Mhm.
Are you working?
Yes.
Do you support? Are you paying all your own bills with that job?
Yes.
I'll speak further, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $10,000. Your bond conditions are no contact or communication in a threatening, harassing manner of a 200 yards of her workplace, her school, her home, other known places she frequents. You're being placed under a magistrate's order of emergency protection that begins today, the 9th day of November of 2025. It is in effect until January 16th of 2026. While on bond, you may not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. You must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol, unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. Thank you. Mr. Reyes, probable cause has been determined for the charge of possession of a controlled substance, 1 gram greater than equal to 1 gram less than 4 grams. Can you afford an attorney, or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
Okay. Mr. Johnston?
Alejandro, are you homeless right now?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a job?
No, sir.
How are you affording food?
Through, my friends have been helping.
Did I make you aware today of the shelters and other resources for homeless individuals in the area?
Yes, sir.
Had you used them before?
No, sir.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $5,000. Bond conditions are not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. And you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. Thank you. Mr. Martinez, you have a warrant for your arrest out of district court. This is a probation violation, possession of a controlled substance, 1 gram, less than 1 gram. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
Okay. For me today, it is a no bond. The judge that signed your warrant, the judge that you pled guilty to, has to be the judge to set your bond. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's a.
Oh, okay.
he's charged as well.
He has another charge.
Yes,
All right. I have determined probable cause for fail to ID fugitive, intent, give false information. I'm putting you down for a court-appointed attorney. I'm setting your bond in the amount of $500 on this charge. 1 bond condition, not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. Thank you.
So you get a bond on the other.
Mr. Robinson, I've determined probable cause for non-repairable and salvage motor vehicle violation. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
Okay, gonna get that ball rolling and get that started. I'm going to, if I set you a personal bond, can you tell me that yes, you're going to show up for your court dates? I show
Yes.
that you live in Tennessee.
Yes, I will show up. I will drive out here if I have to.
Maybe you won't have to, but I can't answer that. All right. I'm going to set you a personal bond in the amount of $1,000. You're going to have 1 bond condition, and that's not to break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. All right. Thank you.
You're gonna need that. You're gonna need, okay. We're doing this.
Mr. Williams, I've determined probable cause for possession of a controlled substance, 3/4 less than 28 grams. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need an attorney.
Okay. Mr. Johnston?
Antoine, right?
Yes.
You have to speak up a bit. I understand it's probably hard for you right now. Do you have a job right now, sir?
No, sir.
Do you have any form of income?
No.
Are you dealing with any health issues right now?
Yeah.
What? What?
High blood pressure, congestive heart failure.
Could you speak up again? You said. High blood pressure.
High blood pressure, congestive heart failure.
Okay.
I have a disability hearing on the 13th. So.
Thank you, sir. Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to set your bond in the amount of $500. 1 bond condition is not to break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. Thank you. Ms. Ochoa, I've determined probable cause for driving while intoxicated with the BAC greater than 0.15. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
Absolutely. Mr. Johnston?
Look, how long have you lived in Amarillo?
Like 3 years
Who do you live with?
with my mom
Anyone else?
and my sisters and my daughter.
How old is your daughter?
She's 3.
Is the father in her life at all?
No.
Do you have sole custody?
Yes.
Are you working right now?
Yes.
Without saying where you work, what do you do?
And fast food.
Fast food?
Yes.
Do you pay the bills for your child?
Yes.
Do you get any child support for her?
No.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $2,500. Your bond conditions are before the 30th day after release on bond, you must have installed on your vehicle a deep lung breath analysis mechanism. You may not operate any vehicle that is not equipped with that device. You are prohibited from consuming any alcoholic beverages while on bond. You may not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state while on bond. Thank you.
Nomás pares aquí y luego yo le voy a decir lo que ella.
Ok, gracias.
Mr. Reyes, I've determined probable cause for driving while intoxicated with the BAC greater than 0.15. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
La juez le está diciendo que sí hay causa de lo que hizo que viene siendo que ellos miden, no estoy muy seguro de eso, pero eso es lo que dice aquí. Está preguntando la juez que si quiere usted un abogado o quiere que el Estado le dé uno. Quiere, como le dijo el ahorita, ¿quiere usted agarrar su propio abogado o quiere que el Estado le dé?
Pues,
¿Y quiere que el Estado le dé uno?
está bien.
Sí.
¿Por
Do you
qué?
like a court-appointed attorney?
Court-appointed?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $3,000. Bond conditions are going to be before the 30th day of bonding, he must have installed on his vehicle a deep lung breath analysis mechanism. He may not operate any vehicle that is not equipped with that device. He is prohibited from consuming any alcoholic beverages and may not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state.
Tu fianza va a ser de $3,000 mientras esté fuera bajo fianza tiene condiciones en eso. Una de ellas es de que no puede cometer ninguna crimen en el estado de Texas ni ningún estado de los Estados Unidos. Otro de ellos es de que no puede usted ya consumir ninguna bebida alcohólica. Y la otra, la última, viene siendo de que en 30 días, dentro de 30 días, perdón, tiene que usted instalar un sistema en su carro que tiene que usted soplar en ese sistema para que lo deje manejar su carro y no puede usted manejar ningún carro que no tenga ese sistema instalado en ese vehículo.
Entonces, sí. Entonces, la fianza es de 3,000.
3,000.
Pero puedo hablar a mi familiar para que busque el bond y
Sí puede hacer eso,
Sí
pero
puede.
eso ya sería ya cuando vaya para allá atrás.
cuando ya vaya para atrás.
Sí, pero
Ok.
sí, su fianza de 3,000 y luego las condiciones que le dije. ¿Sí entiende todo eso?
Sí, tengo que no consumir bebidas alcohólicas, poner un sistema en mi troca sería
Sí.
para yo estar,
Y no puede manejar ningún otro vehículo que no tenga ese sistema.
ok.
¿Ok?
Gracias, señor.
You understand, Your Honor?
Mr. Gardner, probable cause was not determined for the charge of driving while intoxicated second. What this means is you're going to be released. However, you need to be aware that when they present this case to the county attorney's office, if they accept the charges, they will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Garcia, probable cause has been determined for driving while intoxicated second. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
Court appointed, please.
Yes, Mr. Johnston?
Alexis, how long have you lived here in Amarillo?
27 years.
27. Whole life?
Yes.
Do you have family in the area?
Yes.
Kind of family?
All my family, my mom, my dad, my aunts, uncles.
Okay. You working right now?
Yes.
Without saying where you work, what do you do?
Ninth inning, I'm a server.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $4,000. Bond conditions are before the 30th day after release on bond. You must have installed on your vehicle a deep lung breath analysis mechanism. You may not operate any vehicle that is not equipped with device. You are prohibited from consuming any alcoholic beverages while on bond, and you may not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state while on bond. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Mitchell, probable cause has been determined for driving while intoxicated. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
Court appointed.
Mr. Johnston?
Now, how long have you lived in Amarillo?
About 10 years.
Are you currently living alone?
Yes.
You paying all your bills?
Yes.
Has it been difficult to do so lately?
Yeah.
How recently did you get this job?
I've only been there for about 4 weeks. I was at my previous job for 8 years.
And comparatively speaking, how much less do you think you make at this new job than your old?
Significant less.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime in this or any other state?
No.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
I'm going to set the bond, the amount of $2,000. Bond conditions are going to be not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state, and may not have any alcoholic beverages while on bond. Thank you. Ms. Phillips, you have a warrant for arrest out of county court, and it is for resisting arrest, search, or transport. Can you afford an attorney, or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I have an attorney for this charge from before it was a warrant.
Okay, so was it a court-appointed attorney?
No,
Okay, so one that you went and hired?
yes,
Okay, so for today, you're going to use the same attorney?
yes. And
Okay.
we didn't know there was a warrant for this. This has been several months, so
I'm going to set the bond the amount of $1,000. You have one bond condition, not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. All right, thank you.